What we find with this Apollo 11 photo, now this is actually obviously meant to be a photo taken from Apollo 11 on its way to the moon, and what you're meant to be seeing here obviously is the landscape or part of the Earth, obviously. But what we actually find in some of these photos is that the landscape or the topography that we actually see, it does not actually exist anywhere on Earth that can be found. Particularly the images that we find here in the land on Earth here. Now, what it actually is Disney Studios, what they've actually done here is they've actually hidden faces of, well, the representations of what is called the Matterhorn, Disney's highest peak in the middle of Disneyland that they have set up, artificial peak. You can actually make out here the peak in the eye, that's the head, and you've got the nose and the mouth on that one, and you've got the mouth there, and the nose and the eyes and the pointed peak there. And we see a few different photos here with it in. This one here's just a closer up on that one. And here we see it slightly on a bit on the side there, so we've got that peak with the eye, the nose, the mouth, and another little one underneath. The eyes there, a big mouth, chin. And here is another focus on that again. And just further away, or the different side profile of that whole area there that we're looking at. There's the one on that side and the one on that side. There it is again, closer up. And it's meant to be slightly further away. Same scene. And of course here we have it over here as well, further away, the same scene. Those two main big Matterhorn representations in the landscape. Okay, and you see it here again. And this is one apparently. You've got the Earth far off the distance there, supposedly, and you've got a bit of the moon underneath Apollo 11. But if we actually have a look closely on this again as well, what we'll see is that same representation of the two large in the land of the Matterhorn head. Now, what we have in this one is another scene of the part of the landmass, and what we see in this one in particular is have a take a close look. Isn't actually another representation of the Matterhorn, isn't it? Which has two eyes there. Well, it's got that other little head that the Matterhorn has up the top there. You got the two eyes, the nose there, and the mouth down below. And there it is again in another photo. There we go. Matterhorn. See the little head up the top there, nose, another two eyes. It's sort of like got a two eyes or two little faces, another little head on top of the head, as it were. There's the mouth there. And there it is. The Matterhorn is Disneyland's highest peak and is part of Fantasyland. So what they've actually done with these models here, the model Earth that they've used in their Apollo 11 photos, they've hidden the representations in the Matterhorn. There's that one there, side profile. And we find it again as another photo of Disneyland's Matterhorn, the 1960s. That one was taken. The Matterhorn, Disneyland's highest peak, and is part of Fantasyland. And there's the other representations of the Matterhorn in the ground. And this one here is Disneyland Area View 1966. The Matterhorn in the middle is Disneyland's highest peak. So you see what it looks like there. And what I actually showed previously in Apollo 16 here in this particular photo was there was a representation of the Matterhorn that was hidden. In particular, for someone to find, and particularly see that it is showing how all the Apollo photos were done by Disney. In particular, obviously, in the faking of the Apollo moon landings not being real, and Disney pretty much designed, built, and directed all the model miniatures in particular, and also the models that they would have used for the Earth. Seen from space, they've actually hidden the representation of Disneyland's Matterhorn here. As you can see, that one there is very similar in regards to the aerial view. You've got that top part there. They have a little face or head of the top part there, and you've got the main head. It's right there, the two eyes, the nose, and the mouth there, and of course the shape of it is all hidden there. And it's all hidden in plain sight, as it were, in all these photos that NASA has. And of course in Apollo 17 here we have another representation as well. It's a side profile again, the Matterhorn hidden in the photos that Disneyland produced for the Apollo missions.